In this video we are going to build the game, and for the building the game you know the process. We can go to file, build settings, and then here we will add the scenes, and then we can go to player settings. Here you can add the name of your game. Here is the version. If the version is in beta mode, then you can add 0.01 or 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 like that. It is a common practice, and if your version is stable, you can add it to 1.0, 1.1, 1.2 like that. This is just a tutorial purpose project, so we will go with 1.0. Here you can add your company name. I will add it incern here. You can add your own company. If you want to add some icon for your game, you can add an icon. Icon can be a PNG icon, and definitely it can be some other type of icon as well. So like JPG as well if you want, but I think PNG will be a better version. So if we go to the UI graphics, you can see we have this commando. So if you drag off this commando, this will be the icon for our game. You can add default cursor as well. So instead of this cursor, you can see that cursor, and for cursor, if you want to place any cursor, you can select the cursor, and then you will go here into texture type, and you will convert it to cursor first. Okay, and then after that you can place that cursor here. I am not going to do that for this game. I will go with the same cursor. Then we will have icons where all the icons are initiated. You can place custom icons for all screens as well if you want. In the resolution and presentation, you can set it to maximized windows, windowed, exclusive full screen, etc. I will go with full screen for the final build, and with this when we will play the game, we will go into full screen mode, and then we have the splash images. This splash image, you can add your own splash image if you want. I'm not going to use that. And also you can, if you will click on preview, you can actually see the preview over here. Okay, so if we click on preview, you can see that it's made with Unity, and then the game will be started. Definitely you can add some backgrounds as well if you want. So here background image you can place, and the Unity logo by default is the Unity logo below, and if you will use R sequential, then Unity logo will appear first and then your background image. So it's up to you, but I am just leaving it like this, and other settings are actually fine, and everything is fine for the build. Okay, so no need for this playing with these. So now let's build the game, and we'll go here, and you can go to the build, and then you can select a folder for build and select folder. So now our build created. So now you can see that in this particular tutorial in a course, we have learned that how we can create a multiplayer third-person shooter game, and definitely for the third-person shooter games, it is the initial step, and actually we have a error. So let's see what is the error. Okay, that errors were coming from some extra plugins that I have used. So extra assets like for UI buttons, I have used steampunk UI. So with that we have certain scripts, so I just deleted that script. So that errors belongs to that thing. So now the whole thing is completed. We have created our game, and this is first step for the third person shooter game. Definitely you can extend the features, like for example, you can create multiple players with the same technique you can use, and you can use the different animators as well. You can use different animations for different players if you want. And then where we are spawning the players, where we are picking the players, then there you can create an index, and from that index you can select the 0, 1, 2, 3 players, and then you can connect that players to the certain buttons, and that buttons should have the images of that players, like that we can see in PUBG. So definitely player abilities can be extended. A player can actually shoot, player can actually walk without gun, player can pick the gun, then he will have the gun, and then the gun animations will be in action. So you can create multiple layers and multiple animations for the characters. Characters can pick objects. If he will pick a health object, then he can play the health animation. So a lot of other things you can do, and definitely it is a base which we have provided, and I hope it will be useful for the learning purpose, and you will definitely extend the features to achieve some game like PUBG. So now our build is ready, and I just opened this build 6 times, and now if we press Alt Shift, you can see I have opened this 6 times. So first build, let's open it and let's add 1. Then for the second we will add 2 and enter. Then for third we will add 3 and enter. You can add definitely the names, but I'm just going to do this. So then we will just okay, so 5 and 6, and yeah, that's it. 6 builds are opened. This is actually Unity editor, not the game. So now we will just go for maybe the yeah, if we go for this, we will play for longer time, 5 minutes. So I will go for okay, I will show you. So if we go to kill count, you can see waiting for all players to join 1/6. The highest kill count when after the, that's fine. Back to lobby we can go. If we go to team battles, you can see the after 30 minutes we will win the game. If we return to menu, we will move back. Okay, so let's start no respawn. You can test. I already have tested all these 3, so I will just test this no respawn, so that we can finish our game quickly. So no respawn, no respawn, and no respawn. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and actually we have started 5 instances. I think I was thinking of 6, so that is our mistake. 3 and 4, 5, and yeah, I will just open this one as well in Unity. So let's make it 8, maybe some name you can give it to, no problem. And now we can just go to no respawn scene, no respawn. Sometime it take time, so don't worry, because the internet connection is also okay, 1 of 6. So I think we have, maybe I just created one instance and deleted, so for that purpose maybe. Anyhow, we can just go again and 5 of 6 and okay. What we can do is I will just close this Unity and will go for the build again. Sorry for time. I will just go to the commando, build commando. I think I just did a mistake somewhere. Yeah, now it's fine. So now everywhere we have enter, so let's enter with the red color, and then we can enter with the green color, then we can enter with orange color, we can enter with maroon color, gray color, and enter with blue color. Okay, so now you can see that we have the guns. I didn't have added the colliders to these places, so that's why it has an issue. And if we just select a gun, that gun is selected, and now for that gun we have the ammos. So if we select this gun, this gun will have also ammos now. Okay, so now I will just kill this character, then I will go for this one, then I will kill this character, then I will kill this character. Then we have one more character, so where it is, just, yeah, and then let's kill it. Now you can see 3 killed 5, and now hopefully we have winner. Okay, so third player is winner, 3 player, because we have added the names like 1, 2, 3 like this. So that's it. You can exit the menu, so or you can escape and you can move back to the lobby, and then you can go to main menu, and then you can exit the game. So yeah, by exiting you can see we have issue. So I think on exit I didn't added the relevant function for some reason. You can add application.quit. So no problem, we can press Alt F4 to delete. Yeah, actually this is for the other players. We are exited, but that is for other players windows, so that's why. So that's it for this video and the course. Allah Hafiz.